Do you own a watch, any watch with luminescent or paint or whatever sort of material on the hands? If yes, do this one thing the next time you visit your watchmaker. Ask him to apply some lacquer behind the hands, such as nail polish lacquer. This will protect your watches from having their luminous paste or paint fall off in the future. If you enjoy watching educational video on watches, visit my channel for more, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Now that you know this secret, you will never need to worry about this issue again.